So we are live. Creativity is thinking up new things. Innovation is doing new things. As quoted by Sir Levitt. Good afternoon, respected Principal
Sir, I can't hear
Dr.
you.
R.B. Vajive sir, our esteemed faculty members, our distinguished panelists, honor guests, and all my students. A very warm welcome to each one of you to
Sir,
today's
I can't
panel
hear you.
discussion on celebrating World Creativity and Innovation Day. Before we dive deep into our conversation, here is a fun little fact. Yes, sir. Just a minute. अब आ रहा है? Is my voice not audible?
Audible, sir, audible.
Yeah, thank you. So let's hear a fun little fact about it. So the left and right hemisphere of brain are often associated with different kinds of things, logical versus creative. But neuroscience shows that true innovation actually comes when both sides work together, blending analysis with imagination. And that's exactly what we aim to explore today, how creative thinking combined with sustainable action can shape the future. Today, we are having a discussion on the theme Unleashing Creativity for a Sustainable and Innovative Future. It is important, and in a world facing climate change, inequality, and rapid technology disruption, it is creativity, when guided by empathy and purpose, can lead us to real and lasting solutions. Today's discussion will bring together remarkable individuals from diverse fields who have turned ideas into actions. They are having IP registered against their name, and being an innovator, being a student, being a change maker, let us take this moment to think differently and dream bigger. Let us now begin our journey into this powerful dialogue by welcoming our esteemed panelists. I am first of all welcoming Dr. G.A. Kulkarni sir. He is academic coordinator, head of Department of Electronics and Telecommunication at Hindi Seva Mandal, Sri Sant Gadge Baba College of Engineering and Technology, Bhusawal. Sir is also an innovation ambassador and IIC convener. Sir, welcome to this discussion.
Thank you.
Next, I have Dr. Dinesh D. Patil, sir, Head of Computer Science and Engineering Department at Hindi Seva Mandal, Sri Sant Gadge Baba College of Engineering and Technology, Bhusawal. Sir is also Innovation Ambassador and Head of the Kapila Committee at Institutions Innovation Council at Institute. Welcome, sir. Next, I would introduce Dr. Preeti Subramaniam, Madam. She is also Innovation Ambassador and Assistant Professor at Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Hindi Seva Mandal, Sri Sant Gadge Baba College of Engineering and Technology, Bhusawal. Next, I would like to introduce Dr. I.D. Paul, sir. Sir is Assistant Professor at Mechanical Engineering Department, Hindi Seva Mandal, Sri Sant Gadge Baba College of Engineering and Technology, Bhusawal. I welcome all of you, sir. It's a pleasure to have you as a panelist in today's discussion and on the occasion of the World Creativity and Innovation Day. Welcome, sir. Before I start with my question, if you want to have any welcome remarks from your side, open to you. Anyone?
I think we can start with the regular proceedings that we have to do.
Okay, fine. So the first question is, what does unleashing creativity means in the context of sustainability and innovation? I would refer or ask Dr. G. A. Kulkarni sir to have an insights on this. Over to you, sir.
I think your question is about unleashing the creativity. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So as far as creativity is concerned, usually we relate creativity to the arts or defining some things or designing some things. But basically, creativity is not limited to arts only. It is about problem solving, design thinking, and interdisciplinary collaboration. When you will implement this, then that will unleash the creativity. When you will think out of box in such a way that you will introduce certain innovative solutions that reduces environmental impact, so that you can, in your ideas or in your design thinking, if you can involve bio-based materials like this thing, that is related to this unleashing creativity in the context of sustainability and innovation, I think.
Thank you, sir. A sub question to that is, how can creativity contribute to achieving the sustainable development goals, which is a greater issue right nowadays?
Yeah, basically it is a means we can say it is a global challenge, and that requires, basically, as I was telling you, that out of box thinking or fresh thinking, because creativity allows us to reimagine the systems, develop low cost and high impact technology, and create social enterprises. So with the help of this, creativity contribute to achieving the sustainable development goals, SDGs.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Next, I would request Dr. Preeti ma'am to enlighten on the topic or the part is, what is the role of education in fostering creativity for sustainable innovation? Over to you, ma'am.
Education should shift from rote memorization to inquiry based learning, encouraging the students to ask why and what, which builds the curiosity need for sustainable innovation. Programs should incorporate the interdisciplinary learning, which means STEAM learning, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Problem based projects should be there with real world impact, then exposure to climatic science, ethics, and entrepreneurship. For example, in Finland, a project-based learning is there where students study about the climatical changes which is going on, and by using solar powered gadget, they combine science, design, and social impact.
Okay, ma'am. And can you share a real world problem where creativity has led as a breakthrough in sustainability?
Absolutely. One striking example is the trash presso by Miniviz, a mobile recycling factory powered by solar energy that turns all the plastic waste materials into tiles for construction. It's a brilliant combination of engineering, sustainability, and design. Another example is there the Ocean Cleanup Project, where the young innovators Boensland developed floating barriers that passively collect plastic waste from oceans. And another NVU in Netherlands launches social ventures like sustainable shipping and zero waste fashion by co-creating with local communities. So these are the challenges.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would request Dr. D.D. Patil sir to enlighten us. Sir, what role does intellectual property play in encouraging sustainable innovation? Okay, thank you, sir. One more question and that for you is what is the role of youth in shaping a creative and sustainable future? Thank you, sir. Next, I would move to uh, Dr. ID Paul, sir. Let's have a different business integrate part. So, how can business integrate sustainability into their innovation strategies, sir? Your insights on this.
So I think that sustainability should not be an afterthought, but embedded in the product life cycle, from sourcing to end of the life. So we can say that the step business can take, they can perform life cycle assessment for products. They can use biodegradable or recycled materials. Can have set sustainability KPIs for innovation teams, and they can involve customers in co-creating solutions, or you can say the open innovation type, where we can get the solution from the customers also. In this way, we can have some better solutions. For example, I can say that Tata Motors, which is the most important thing, we are seeing that it is one in the India which creating the EV vehicles and using the sustainable products. It recycles and reuse the materials to make a more cost-effective products for the customers.
Okay, thank you, sir. And then, if it is so, then what, according to you, are the biggest barriers to unleashing creativity for sustainability?
According to me, sir, that the fear of failure, it's the main thing, which is a major barrier for us. Then the short-term thinking, driven by some quarterly profits, some small profit. We are highlighting that part. Then lack of cross-sector collaborations. The collaboration is more important for creating the more effective products. Then a rigid education system. More people are rigid with the this thing that we have to follow this part only. They are not going through the new innovation thing, or you can say the out of box thinking. Then underfunding of creative sectors. Funding is a very important part, because if you have money, then only you can go for new and more creative things. Even Elon Musk has done his projects many times, and he have some funding with us. Then only he was able to succeed to make a rocket which can go in the universe and come back by doing his work. So all creativity needs some funding. So to overcome this, we can have the culture shift that reward the more experimentations, then better integration of artists, designers, and creators in innovation spaces, more diverse innovation ecosystem we can develop. So I think by this we can exclude these barriers.
Okay, I think I am questioning the connectivity issue. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
you are right.
But okay, fine. So this is the final question for all. As individuals, how can we unleash our creativity to support sustainability? Means in general, each person has its role. Let it be as an engineer, let it be as a student,
Sir,
let
unable
it
to
be.
hear your complete question. Patak, sir.
Yeah, sir, I will repeat it. As individuals, how can we unleash our creativity to support sustainability?
So what we think is that, as you told, each person is having
Yeah,
his role.
let me complete just a minute.
Oh, okay, okay, sir.
So as a person, we have to play a role. So being a faculty, being a student, being an entrepreneur, being an innovator. So how can we go for the creativity? At the same time, we have to take care of the sustainability. So that is the general question, and we will end our discussion on that. Over to you.
Uh, so pardon, actually, I think your
Hmm.
voice got break.
Voice is breaking. Yeah, voice is
Just,
breaking.
just a minute. Just a minute.
Or else you can put your question in chat room also, Patak, sir.
Yeah, just a minute.
Hello, sir. Patak, sir.
Hello, I am reconnected. Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yeah. So apologies, there was a connection break. So as individuals, how can we unleash our creativity to support sustainability? Means as a role as an individual person, let it be a student, let it be a faculty, let it be an innovator, let it be an entrepreneur. How can we play the role so that we unleash creativity and at the same time have a check and maintain the sustainability? So that is the final question on that.
As far as me is concerned, what I'm thinking that we have to reimagine the systems and we have to develop the low cost and high impact technology. Means, for example, solar cookers, if we try to use in our day to day life, even we can think some innovative things as far as water purification system is concerned, so that how less water will be wasted like this, and in this way we can implement for this what we'll say sustainable. Out of the box thinking and out of the box utilization of the things and technology.
Okay. Ma'am, sir, your take on it.
So what I think is the role can be played by anyone because your unique skill can be applied to any sustainable impact. So by designing eco-conscious art that raises awareness, or by building by writing some blogs, way we can participate and we can encourage the persons and we can create a good army of creative people where we can find so many types of solution. I remember one person from Varanasi, he saw that lots of flowers are offering in the rivers. So to clean the rivers, what he did, he just collected that flower and did some process on it and make the incense sticks that we call the agarbatti. And it's a very sustainable product and having no chemicals in it. So it's a very that we have to just open our eyes and do some things according which is more suitable for the social life of our environment.
Okay. And ma'am,
Yes.
your
As an individual, there are numerous ways where we can contribute to sustainability and innovation can be done, such as we can reduce, reuse, and recycle the products which we are using daily in our daily times. Then, sustainable transportation should be there. Then, energy efficiency should be there, and urban gardening, sustainable fashion, digital solutions. These are some of the things where water conservation should be done. These are some of the things which we can do in our daily life. Carbon offsetting, these are all the terms that we should do in our daily life so as to recycle the things which are affecting the environment, as well as innovation can be done by using these recycle products.
and sir, what about you, PD Patil sir? Inputs.
Sustainable development naturally we take some wastage of material nearby us, okay, and we can develop the low cost of product, and that can be beneficial for all level of peoples, okay. And due to that, what happened, we can easily maintain the environment cycle as well as the utilization of that product, okay. And such products is utilized for different purpose. Single product can utilize for different purpose, okay. due to that, what happened? The particular innovation encourage the general people, from general people to the lower standard students, from to graduate students. Okay. They can easily mold these particular innovative things, and they can prepare their own products, or they can develop their own idea as an intellectual property. I- that is very important in terms of innovation regarding the skill development. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. So coming to the concluding part, and thank you to our all panelists and to all those who are there live watching for being a part of today's conversation. But let me end with a one final quote to carry with all of you. The quote is by Peter Drucker, and he says, "The best way to predict the future is to create it." And as we go forward, the energy and ideas that are shared today in our thinking, kind in our actions, and committed in our purpose to create a world that is not only smarter but also sustainable and inclusive. Thank you once again to the entire management of Hindi Seva Mandal, our beloved principal, Professor Dr. R.B. Barjibe sir, our panelists, Dr. J. Kulkarni sir, Dr. D.D. Patil sir, Dr. Preeti Subramaniam madam, and Dr. I.D. Paul sir for sparing their time and insights on the topic on and the celebration on a short notice from my side. All the head of the departments, faculty members, dear students, and remember, every student who dare to imagine for a better future has a good and bright future. So happy World Creativity and Innovation Day. Keep thinking, keep creating, and keep changing the world. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you.